everyone, and welcome back to Power Pronunciation. Today we are going to talk about the TH sound, or I should say the TH sounds. We have two TH sounds. One is unvoiced, like th, 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 and unvoiced because you don't have any vibration in the throat. So in this case, most people don't realize the two sounds. And then we have a voiced TH, like mother, the. It's exactly the same th sound, but you add voice to it. You add some vibration in the vocal cords. So as you know, with the th or the th, because you can hear my voice coming here, with either of these sounds, you have to get your tongue out. It has to come between the teeth and comes out, teeth, like that. And a lot of people are really shy about making this sound. But if you hold this in your mouth, you're not going to be able to make that TH sound. It's going to come out like T's for teeth, or other sounds like udder. This is very, very common because people don't put their tongue out. So for the sake of the video and for training, we will need to exaggerate it just a little bit. We don't like this in real life, but we're going to do this just for the sake of the training part, okay? So repeat after me. You can stop the video and just repeat. That. The. The. This. Thing. Thing. Think. Think. Thank you. Thing. Ing, if I slow it down. Ink. Think. So you can hear that in the beginning there is not a vibration with that sound. The same thing, breathe. To breathe with a th sound. And I take a breath. A breath. And this has no vibration. So I hope you learned something today. We practiced the voiced TH sound and the unvoiced TH sound. Thank you and have a fantastic day.